To prevail in a lemon law case, we must prove that the vehicle has warrantable defects and that the defects substantially impair the vehicle's use or value, and that the vehicle was out of service for an unreasonable time period. If the proven defect substantially impairs the use or value, having the vehicle out of service for 30 days gives a legal presumption that it was out of service for an unreasonable time period. This could be a very potent argument in court and can certainly increase the value of a case. We regularly have people who misunderstand the law and think that 30 days out of service or 4 visits for the same problem automatically qualify them for a buyback. Although that is not true, these facts are certainly helpful to increase the chances of a repurchase.